Okay, just showing how you can do stem splitting in Logic Pro. I learned this from a TikTok, but there's ways to obviously record audio from a computer, but let's just do this for now. Okay, so stop it. We don't need to hear more right now. Show in Finder. So that recording, just drag it into Logic. Empty track thing. Increase the size here. Let's just make sure this plays back. So now there is a way to like double click Smart Tempo Analyze where it'll figure out the tempo of the track, which would then make it easier to add. So it's saying 107-ish. But it does adjust as it's going, so I'm not sure. I haven't figured out that part yet. Like we just want to know what the actual tempo of the song is once the drums start playing. But anyways, setting that aside for a moment, then you can right click, go down to processing, stem splitter, all the stems, apply. It'll take a second or three. And now, if we look at these tracks, we can just solo this one, let's say, just the drum track. The vocal, let's say. Bass. Guitars. So you'll get all the guitars, I think. That's the only drawback here. Piano or synth. I don't know if down here. Just sound effects. A pretty good taste of how the recording actually went. So then you can obviously see how you could like sample out just the drums if you wanted for something else or whatever. So pretty cool.